Whether your sexual assault case goes to trial depends on a number of factors, but one of the big ones is where your case is filed. If your case ends up being filed in an MDL, there are fewer cases that get selected as what we call bellwethers or test cases that are picked to go to trial and give everyone an idea on both sides of what a jury might do with a verdict on a particular type of injury in a particular type of case. Those bellwether cases give us more information about what type of a settlement may or may not be appropriate for the broader group of cases filed into an MDL. And the fact of the matter is, if you have thousands of cases in an MDL, it is just impossible from a logistics and timing standpoint to try all of those cases. So under those circumstances, it is less likely that your case would end up going to trial. And some people find that comforting and other people don't. So we look at every case when it comes in our door and make a decision with the clients in consultation with our client about whether or not that's a good choice for them. On the other hand, if your case is filed individually, it's much more likely that your case will go to trial, or at least that it will proceed far into litigation. Individual cases don't have other cases sitting in the same courtroom, and so they proceed just like any other lawsuit does on an individual basis. And the minute we file, we go into sometimes motion practice, but often right into discovery, which allows us to ask the other side for information, and they get to ask us for information too. And again, some people find that experience to be cathartic and empowering, whereas other people are intimidated by the individual experience. And so the fact that both options exist, I think, is a really great thing, because it gives somebody who's been through this awful experience a little bit more agency in how they're able to seek justice.